Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying exactly how your Nikke account is bound and gathering proof. This saves time later. Open the game, tap your profile, then account or settings to view linked methods and your UID. Once done, copy the account ID, linked email, and any transfer codes into a note. Make sure the app is updated and on stable Wi-Fi so the unlink process won't fail mid-step. This prepares you to safely proceed to unbinding without losing progress. Next, choose the unbind or remove option for the linked method you want to detach. The game will require identity verification. Follow prompts to enter your password, email verification code, or respond to an in-game confirmation. Enter codes exactly and allow the server a moment to process. Don't close the app immediately. If you used a third-party login, also check that provider's app or site for pending confirmations. Make sure you save any on-screen transfer codes provided before moving on. Finish by confirming the unbind success screen and then logging out and back in to test that the removed method no longer works. If something goes wrong, retry the steps with a stable connection and recheck credentials. Often a repeated verification clears it. If it still fails, contact Nikke support with your UID, times of attempts, and screenshots to expedite recovery. Keep calm and provide precise details. Support can reverse or complete unbinds when you show proof of ownership.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.